Since 2006, Dr. David R. Smith has served as president of SUNY Upstate Medical University, where he has an impressive record of leadership and public service.
You know, I think leadership is always about a team that has a shared vision. You know, it's rarely ever about one individual. I think if you're going to be successful, you really have to pull from a variety of constituents. I think you see that with the kind of work that the Salvation Army does in this community. It really reaches across the expanse and breadth of those that can help and support and those that are in need. And I think all of us in leadership have to recognize what is in fact the opportunity, what's the void, and then of course be able to bring and motivate groups of people together. So I think leadership is very seldom about one individual.
Dr. Smith has overseen tremendous growth at Upstate Medical University that includes a commitment to investing in downtown Syracuse.
Well, we're particularly proud of the growth that we've seen here at Upstate over the last 7 or 8 years. There's almost been $1 billion worth of construction at Upstate over that period of time. Some of it clearly directed at downtown. We really do believe in a lot of the work that SU's been doing. I mean, they've had a good idea. We should be engaged and connected. Why do we do that? Because we live here. I recruit to Syracuse. And indeed, it's vital that we see that reinvestment and that vigor. We're excited about the breadth as well as the scale and scope of what we're doing. And of course, it's bringing us closer to some of the partners downtown, including many of our nonprofit and other friends that work side by side with us every day.
Upstate Medical University is this region's largest employer, and Dr. Smith has helped to foster a spirit of volunteerism throughout the organization.
We have over 9,500 employees here at Upstate Medical University, making a difference every day in the lives of people in Central New York. We also have almost 1,800 students and 500 residents here. And we've created a dynamic, since we don't have our own football team or basketball team, of Team Upstate. And so there is great value, pride, and a sense of commitment to support a lot of organizations in the area and get involved and engaged. And the other thing that fundraising and volunteering does, it brings together a very diverse workforce. So indeed, you'll have students working with faculty, working with our physical plant teams and others, all pulling together in the same direction for an organization. One of those organizations we pull together for, of course, is the Salvation Army, because again, we see the value in that, and we see alignment with their values, their commitment to the community as well as ours, so there's alignment.
Dr. Smith recognizes a strong connection between the Salvation Army and Upstate Medical University.
Well, the Salvation Army is pivotal. I've certainly been aware of their work throughout all of my career with families and vulnerable children. I worked with the Salvation Army in some children homeless settings, both in Washington, D.C. and in Dallas. And they led by example. They got the work done. They directly impact our work every single day. All one has to see and look is in the emergency room here that has grown by 30% over the last couple of years. But without them, the challenge would be clearly greater. They're respected, they're able to get the work done, they deliver on the promise, which is very important. A lot of organizations struggle to do that. But when they say something, they mean it, and it gets done.
In recognition of his community involvement and dedication to the betterment of Onondaga County, the Salvation Army of the Syracuse area is proud to present the 2013 Community Team Spirit Award for Meeting Community Need to Dr. David R. Smith.